one thing that I've learned in my career, Pao,
Mm.
if I failed or if there's rejection, no, parang I kept on asking myself, maybe, I mean, is there something lacking in me
Mm.
that I was rejected, that I
True.
failed? So
True.
that's it's a very good,
And then just work on it.
correct, correct.
Mm.
So what do you want people to remember about your leadership?
You can always make things happen.
Mhm.
Can do, you can make it happen.
Pero Pao, okay, ito, what type of leadership you have? Kasi nga 'di ba there's a lot of leadership,
Different types.
democratic
Yes, yes,
leadership,
yes, yes.
'di ba?
Uh,
May mga leader lang na nag-a-agree lang. So ikaw ba? I mean for let's talk about your current
yes.
with Medicard as a sales director.
Mm.
Ano ba yung na-apply mong type of leadership?
You have to enable your people. So I'm an
Mhm.
enabler.
Enabler
Uh,
ka,
so
enabler.
I appreciate being enabled, but at the same
Mhm.
time, I have to enable my people also.
Mhm.
So top down yan eh.
Mhm.
So if you enable people, let them make their mistake and learn
Mhm.
fast.
Mhm.
If they're not scared, they can deliver better.
Mhm.
Huwag mo silang takutin.
Correct. So well, okay. So what's one thing you're proud of right now, but people don't see behind the success?
Maybe ako mismo, I wouldn't know, but
Mhm.
sometimes you actually inspire people you don't know that
Mhm.
you're inspiring them
Correct,
when you
correct.
least expect it. It's
Mhm.
the micro behaviors
Mhm.
that the people see around
Mhm.
you can actually have an effect
Mm.
on them.
Pero ano yung mga behind the scenes?
Ah,
'Di ba parang, well, you can right now you can tell me that somehow or well, you are successful in your in your chosen industry or in your career. So ano yung mga behind the scenes
ah,
na you might want to, share
wow.
the audience?
I think something as
Like
simple
yung
as
puyat ka ba, natutulog ka ng 4:00 ng madaling araw
ay, of course
kasi
not.
'di ba?
Work-life integration,
Oo.
'di ba? Work-life
You have to
balance.
review the contract, 'di
Yes.
ba? Like especially if you're handling a lot of people, 'di
Mm,
ba?
mm, mm.
So ano yung mga behind the scenes?
I think the most important would be being able to determine
Mhm.
that I need to set out time to
Mhm.
listen to my people,
Mhm.
to listen to personal stuff, not
Mhm.
just the professional. And that
Okey.
makes a single big difference in how your people will actually
Mm.
see you as a leader. If
Mm.
my leader actually cares for me,
Mhm.
especially in this generation now,
Mhm.
it makes such a difference.
Correct.
Gone are the days na I'm the boss, you follow me. No,
Correct, correct.
I have to enable you. I'm
Mhm.
your partner in getting things done.
Okay. So do you think success, Paolo, changes people or reveals who they really are?
It reveals who they really are. If you are happy and content with your success, you are not a good salesperson.
Mhm.
Your success is only as good as your last success. You move
Mhm.
on.
Mhm.
Every shot, I play tennis, no?
Mm.
Every shot, you give it your all and then you move on in the
Mm.
next shot.
Pero what are the changes? Kasi well, minsan kasi parang hindi mo din alam na may nagbago sa'yo
Mm,
but people around you can attest na there are some changes in Paulo. 'Di
yes.
ba? Let's talk about yun nga, as a sales director, what are I mean, like your friends or family, did they say something about you?
I
Na may nagbago ka, maybe your looks, maybe dati mas hanggi ka ngayon medyo may tiyan na, yung mga gano'n.
no comment on that. I think if there's one thing that has changed, I'm sure
Mhm,
everybody can say, is I've become more patient. I
mhm.
guess it comes with age.
Correct na,
Yeah, I
oo.
mean, you
Patience
become
is
more
a
patient and
virtue,
more
oo.
understanding. You
Mhm,
listen more than you talk.
mm,
Dati, it's the other way around.
mm,
You're so impatient. It's always about
mhm.
you. And then you realize both in your professional and personal life, you
Correct.
listen.
So,
Be patient, listen.
oo. So, the more success you get, the more you become patient pala.
The more
So,
you talk less
puwede,
and
puwede.
let the success talk for you. Right?
So, when people hear your name in the industry, what do you want them to remember?
Paulo makes things happen.
What else? What else aside from that?
I want Paulo on my team.
There.
Right? I guess
Ayun,
that's the ultimate compliment,
correct,
right?
oo. Yun. So what would younger Juan Paulo be most surprised about where you are now?
Ah, wow. So nice.
Mm.
I never thought I'd be where I am now. Of course, everybody wants to be somewhere else, to do this, to achieve this. But
Mhm.
looking back after everything that has happened, I am happy that I am where I am now.
Mhm.
Exactly where I am now because it was meant to happen. It was
Mhm.
meant to be. All those steps in the past brought me where I am today. And what's most important is the people looking up to you that you
Mhm.
can actually influence and enable.
Mhm.
Yun to me is what's most important.
Mhm. And for you, it's a form of happiness, no? Like seeing your people grow,
Yes.
'di
I
ba?
mean, money is important. Di ba? We all have bills
Of
to pay.
course,
But
oo.
if you park that aside and look at how you can actually influence and inspire
Mhm.
people, that's most rewarding. Hindi mo madadala sa grave yung pera mo.
True. Agree. So what are the values in life you've learned when you were a kid that you can say that helps to be in your status
Yeah.
now?
If there's one thing I learned from my father, it's the word integrity.
Mhm.
Integrity in everything. It's what you do when nobody's looking,
Mhm.
regardless what job you are in, what rank, what role. It's what you do when nobody's looking. That's what's most important. Do not compromise your name.
Mm.
Do not compromise your integrity as a person.
Mm. You listen people ha. Integrity. Love life or lost deal?
Love life.
Love life. Wow.
Love life.
Mm. If
Ang pera kinikita,
okay.
but an opportunity to love someone fully, that's
Mm.
priceless.
If success had a scent, ano ang amoy mo? Ano ang amoy ng isang Juan Paulo
So
Araneta?
I'll reveal something. No? So the brand of the cologne that I'm wearing, kasi sabi mo,
Mhm.
scent of success, di ba? I use Tiffany now. It's very
Mm.
mabango yan. It smells good.
Other than that, wala na?
Other than that,
Mhm.
uh, madami.
Hindi ba puwede yung amoy mo lang is yung pawis mo lang?
Ah, parang wala yatang mabango.
So, real talk, mas masarap ba yung you have 'di ba, I mean, knowing that you have more than enough o parang may kaya ka?
Syempre it's nice to be able
Mm.
to
'Di
sleep
ba?
at night that you know that you're
Correct.
comfortable. But
Mm.
again, hindi mo madadala sa libingan yan eh. So it's more of what do you do with the extra that you have?
Mhm.
Do you keep it or do you share it?
So,
Do you
it
invest it?
means yung more than enough mo is at least yung you can sleep at night, enough time to spend with yourself,
You
resting,
can afford to
spending
take
time
a
with your
break.
family.
You
Correct.
can afford to take your family out or your
Mhm.
loved ones out or to travel together.
Okay. Um, anong bagay ang too poor for Paolo Araneta?
What does that mean?
I don't know. Ha? Too cheap. What is ano ba yung too cheap for you?
Okay, okay. So I think the word cheap is such a relative term. So I think it's
Mhm.
more of, it's really more of your taste in things.
Mhm.
Siguro if you can put it at that, di ba?
Mhm.
So pwede naman magandang tingnan or
Mhm.
it looks nice or expensive, but it really isn't.
Mm.
It's all about quality,
Mhm.
craft.
So for you nga, so what is too cheap for you?
Madami.
Sagutin mo na pa, isa
Too
lang,
cheap.
isa lang,
Ano,
isa lang.
okay, sige, in the context of travel siguro.
Mhm.
Siguro I need a place with an aircon
Mhm.
and maganda yung banyo, but I can sleep on the floor. I have no
Mhm.
problem with it. I'm like a cat. I can sleep anywhere.
Okay. So can money buy happiness?
Not in its entirety. It can bring you some level of happiness, but not all.
Oo, yes or no lang ang sagot. Can money buy
Sometimes.
happiness?
Sometimes.
Yes, sometimes. No,
Sometimes.
sometimes.
Yes. Yes.
So, to end this, Pau, what is the advantage of being Juan Paulo Araneta?
I don't think there's an advantage. I think it's more of I tend to invest in the people around me.
Mhm.
The work that I'm in, I give it 101%.
Mhm.
The people that I love, the friends that I have, the family that I have,
Mhm.
the colleagues that I have, I invest in them.
So, let's say this, siguro ano, the advantage of Juan Paulo Araneta would be like you're a good boss, like you're a leader that enable your people who work for you. So you're not the typical boss na boss ako gawin mo to. So I
Correct.
think
Correct.
well hindi lahat ng leader Pau kagaya sa'yo, like to to enable the employees.
And to add to that, Sam, no, let's never forget the people that helped us along the
Mhm.
way. So I
Correct.
think that's one advantage. I don't forget.
Mhm. Duly noted. Thank you so much, Paulo, for, for your time. Thank you. I appreciate your time.
Of
'Di ba,
course.
alam ko sobrang busy ka. This is Sam Pascual and this is The Chartered People.